If you run a cleaning service, your website probably looks fine. Service is listed, some photos, a contact number. But looking fine and actually getting you bookings are two different things. And most cleaning websites do the first without doing the second at all. In this video, I will show you exactly what's going wrong. And it's usually not what people expect. It's not about design or more photos. It's a few specific things that make the difference between a website that gets inquiries and the one that just sits there looking presentable. Hello, my name is Talha. I am a founder of Kinu Solutions. We build AI systems that help local businesses get found on Google and AI search, respond instantly, and win more customers. So the real problem, here's what actually happens when someone lands on your site. They're not browsing. They have already decided they want a cleaner. They want to know if you are the right one, and they want to find out fast. So they spend about 15 seconds on your homepage looking for three things. Do you cover my area? What does it cost roughly? And how do I book? If they can't find those quickly, and on most cleaning websites they can't, they leave. Not because your service is wrong for them, because the website made them work too hard to find out. And the owner usually has no idea it's happening. The site looks fine to them, but the visitor experience is a completely different thing. Problem 1. The homepage doesn't answer the right questions. Let's start with the homepage. Most lead with something like professional cleaning you can trust. That sounds fine, but it tells the visitor nothing useful. The first question isn't, is this professional? They assume it is. It's, do you come to my area? Are you available when I need you? What does this cost? If those answers aren't visible in the first scroll, a big chunk of visitors leave before they ever reach your contact form. The fix is simple. Lead with specifics. Name the areas you cover. Give a starting price. Say what's included in a standard clean. These aren't details to hide. They are exactly what the visitor came for. Problem 2. The booking process is too slow. Second issue, the inquiry process itself. Most sites have one of the two setups, a contact form with 6 or 7 fields, or a phone number and nothing else. The form problem, people fill in 2 fields, see 5 more, and give up. Name, email, what they need. That's enough to start a conversation. Get the rest later. The phone only problem is timing. Someone's on your site at 9 p.m. on a Sunday. They want to book. Your phone number does nothing for them right now. No phone, no WhatsApp, that person is gone. The fix? A short form, 3 fields max, plus a WhatsApp button for people who want to message immediately. Covers both without building anything complicated. Third problem, mobile. And this one surprises people because most site builders claim to be mobile friendly by default. Mobile friendly and mobile optimized aren't the same. A site can technically resize for a phone and still be frustrating to use. Buttons too small to tap. Text you have to zoom in on. Form fields you can barely type in. A page that takes 6 seconds to load. Most people searching for a local cleaner are on their phone. So if mobile's frustrating, you're losing the majority of your traffic before they ever make contact. Quick test. Pull out your phone, Google your business, and try to book your own service as a new customer. If it takes more than 2 minutes from landing to inquiry, there's work to do. Fourth, trust. Specifically the absence of it. A cleaning service is a trust purchase. Someone's letting you into their home. They're judging whether you are reliable, professional, and safe to let through the door. If your site has no reviews, no photos of real work, no names or faces of the people who will actually show up, they have no way to make that judgment. So they don't. They move to a competitor whose site gives them something to trust. The fix isn't complicated. Add your Google reviews. Most builders have a plugin and a photo of yourself or your team. Add a line about how long you have been operating and where you work. Small changes, big difference in whether a first-time visitor feels comfortable reaching out. So, what actually moves the needle? 1. Answer the right questions immediately. Area, rough pricing, what's included right on the homepage. 2. Make the inquiry fast. Short form, 3 fields plus a direct messaging option for evenings and weekends. 3. Fix mobile. Test it yourself. If it's slow or frustrating, that's where your traffic is dropping off. 4. Add trust signals, real reviews, real photos, a human name and face. That's what turns a visitor who's considering you into one who actually reaches out. None of this needs a full rebuild. Most of it is content and configuration. A focused afternoon of work, but it has a direct impact on on how many visitors turn into inquiries. If you want to know what's specifically holding your site back, that's part of what I do. Links below. Follow along if this was useful. More coming for different business types. And save this if you have got a cleaning website you know isn't performing the way it should. Thank you and see you in the next one.